You look tired, lazy, and every girl you like just doesn't seem to like you back. Well, it's not your wallet or the car you have. It's because you're avoiding these 6 simple tips that I'll share with you today. The hard truth is that attractiveness has very little to do with money, material possessions, or even your physical looks. It ultimately comes down to the energy, passion, and overall radiance you're putting into the world. But the good news is that becoming a human magnet isn't really that complicated. You just need to dial in a few key areas of your lifestyle. And with these 6 tips, you'll soon be the one everyone is chasing after. The first one is so simple that I guarantee you've never tried working on it. Upgrade your smile. Smile and the world smiles with you. Well, it couldn't be more true, especially when it comes to attractiveness. Think about it. When you see someone with a bright, genuine smile, doesn't it just light up their whole face? A great smile is one of the first things people notice, and it can be an instant attractiveness booster. It conveys confidence and approachability. On the flip side, if your teeth are looking a little rough, it can be a major detractor from your overall appearance. So let's talk about getting that smile in tip-top shape. If your teeth need some serious work, like they're super crooked or stained, your best bet is going to be something like braces or professional whitening treatments. If that's not in the budget right now though, no worries. There are still plenty of things you can do to elevate your smile. An at-home whitening kit like Crest White Stripes is a really affordable way to get rid of stains and yellowing. Consistent use of these can make a huge difference. We're also going to want to be on point with our oral hygiene routine. I'm talking flossing every single day, using a tongue scraper and regularly brushing with a good whitening toothpaste. These little habits have a big impact over time. Alright, next up is one area where guys can really struggle, and it ends up being such a turnoff. We're going to break it all the way down. The grooming game. Let me ask you, when's the last time you got an actual haircut? Can't remember it? Well, going to see a talented barber and getting a fresh, on-point cut makes a huge difference in how attractive you look. Don't be that guy whose hair is always a mess. Get yourself on a schedule where you're getting regular trims to keep everything looking crisp. It's worth the investment, I promise. The same goes for facial hair. If you rock a beard or mustache, you've got to keep it shaped up nice and lined. Either commit to a clean-shaven look or put in the work to make your facial hair look intentional. Smelling good is another key part of a strong grooming game. Look, I get that cologne can be polarizing and a lot of guys overdo it, but having a signature scent that's not too overpowering is such a vibe. Look into getting a nice, unique fragrance from a niche brand. These smell way better than your typical department store options. Finally, don't slack on the basic hygiene stuff like showering daily, using deodorant, and keeping your nails trimmed and clean. You'd be surprised how much of a turnoff poor hygiene can be. It's one of the first things people pick up on. Now, here's another tip that's going to seem like a no-brainer, but stay with me. Start seriously prioritizing your fitness. Level up at the gym. Let's start with the obvious physical benefits. Building muscle and getting lean does wonders for how your body looks. You'll fill out your clothes better, have more definition in your face, and overall just appear healthier. Not to mention the confidence boost you get from achieving your fitness goals. But the attractiveness gains go way beyond just the physical. There's something inherently sexy about a guy who is dedicated to caring for his body and overall well-being. It shows discipline, commitment, and that you take pride in yourself. Plus, prioritizing fitness demonstrates that you're focused on living a long, healthy life. For a lot of people, that's an incredibly attractive mindset and lifestyle. We want a partner who will go the distance and keep up with an active lifestyle. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a bodybuilder or have shredded six-pack abs to be attractive. Not at all. The key is simply being dedicated to your fitness journey and putting real effort into caring for your body's health. That, in and of itself, is magnetic. The right fitness plan combines regular strength training to build muscle with cardio for heart health and mobility work to stay flexible and prevent injury. Having balanced training like that is so important. And of course, diet plays a huge role too. You'll want to prioritize getting enough protein, healthy fats, fruits, and veggies to support all your hard work in the gym. Stay away from the junk and processed stuff as much as possible. This is a lifestyle upgrade that will absolutely transform your life. Now, what you choose to wear over a well-built body and how you style yourself is another major thing. Up your style game. Whatever you're wearing is your first impression on people. It's an extension of your personality and really telegraphs your level of confidence. That's why having an intentional, stylish look is one of the best ways to boost attractiveness. When you put effort into your outward appearance, it shows that you value and take pride in yourself. Let's get specific on what taking your style game to the next level really means. First up, make sure you have high-quality, well-fitting basics like shirts, pants, jackets, etc. Having clothes that fit your body properly is paramount. No more oversized, baggy stuff. Take the time to try things on and make alterations if needed. From there, start piecing together cohesive, stylish outfits that you feel confident rocking. Don't be afraid to lean into your own unique look and have fun with it. Let your personality shine through. Pay attention to the details too, like making sure things are cleaned, pressed, and looking fresh. Pulling off stylish outfits is as much about fit and fabric quality as it is about the overall vibe you're putting together. The overall impression you want to give is that you have strong self-awareness and attention to detail. Speaking of self-awareness, most guys miss out on this one crucial thing, and of course, it's skincare. Get into skincare. I know. Skincare doesn't seem like the most manly topic, but hear me out. Developing a consistent skincare routine is an absolute must for boosting your attractiveness. Clear, healthy, glowing skin is such a key factor in an attractive, youthful appearance. On the flip side, acne, dullness, dark circles, those things can really affect your looks in a major way. Not what we're going for. First things first, let's talk about cleansing. Washing your face daily with a gentle, non-drying cleanser is an absolute must. This gets rid of excess oil, dirt, and grime that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Follow that up with a hydrating moisturizer to keep your skin balanced. From there, we'll want to incorporate some targeted treatments based on your specific skin concerns. If you struggle with acne, using a salicylic acid treatment a few times a week can be a game changer. For anti-aging, retinol is where it's at for boosting collagen production and fading fine lines. Let's not forget about sun protection either. Using a daily SPF moisturizer is crucial for preventing premature aging, dark spots, and keeping your skin looking its best. Also, get into the habit of doing mini facial massages with a jade roller or gua sha tool too. This can boost circulation, depuff your face, and give you an energized glow. You might have a lot of masculine energy to even give this a try, but trust me, radiant, clear, youthful skin is such an attractiveness multiplier. Having a consistent skincare system is 100% worth it. Once you get into the groove, it'll become just another self-care habit that's second nature. Now, this last tip for boosting attractiveness is probably something you've heard before but haven't taken seriously enough. Make sleep a priority. Think about it. When you're running on very little sleep, you just look and feel like absolute trash, right? There's no hiding those puffy eyes, dull complexion, dark circles, and facial bloating. Lack of sleep also crushes your energy levels, making you come across as lethargic and unmotivated. And on top of that, it can negatively impact your exercise performance, making it harder to stay in shape. None of those things are attractive. On the flip side, getting 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep per night does wonders for your looks. Your skin will look brighter and more youthful. You'll have higher energy levels that translate to a lively presence. Not to mention better focus, productivity, and fat-burning potential. Doesn't that sound a million times better than the zombie-like existence of being constantly sleep-deprived? To really get the sleep game on lock, we need to establish good sleep habits and routines. That means limiting blue light and screen time for an hour or so before bed. It also means cutting out caffeine early in the day and establishing a consistent sleep schedule where you're going to bed and waking up around the same time each day. Get your bedroom environment dialed in too. Keep it cool, dark, and free of distractions like TVs or bright alarm clocks. You want that space to be a sleep sanctuary. Little sleep upgrades like this are so simple and impactful. Yet most of us let sleep be an afterthought. Do yourself a favor and start getting enough sleep. It's one of the best things you can do for your overall attractiveness. Which of these tips was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. For a part 2 with more tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And come back later to like the video when you get your first date of the year.